Okay, just driving. It's a rainy day. Okay, it's a red light. Perfect time to talk to Anthony and Jesse. Anthony, Jesse, it's a rainy day outside. I gave you milk. Drink that. Anthony, finish your milk now. And don't spill it like you did last time. Okay. Looks like there's a construction worker up front. Oh, green light. Okay, I know it's green light, but I need to slow down. You guys, are doing a good job on construction. We need to keep this up for our boss. There's 2 boys behind us, so we gotta be quick, okay? What the heck is he doing? He's slowing down. No. They're not just going anyways. Wheel. Guy, like, what's your problem? You almost hit me. Like, why did you have to go right there? I'm clearly talking to my buddies. So, can you just stop? Like, what the heck? You was going slow. Let's move. Okay. Oh, red right now. Okay, Anthony, people and Jesse, people just be crusty these days. Like, there's so much people, especially him, who is being crusty. Like, what the heck, right? Yeah, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Yeah, that's what I mean. Now, do you want to go? Oh, it's green light. Let's go streaming fast. Okay, red light. Daddy, that was the best ride. Yeah, Daddy, that was the best ride. I told you, I'm the best dad, right? Yes. I told you, I bought you a PS5, PS4, PS3, Xbox, and arcade, and 2 phones each. So, very grateful, okay? Okay, Daddy, yes. Now, Anthony, do not spill that milk. Do not spill that milk just because I went fast. Annie, what did I tell you? Don't spill the milk. No, you're going over my BMW. No, Anthony, no, that's it. We're going. I know you don't want fastness. No, Annie, but we gotta go. Jesse, do you like fastness? Yes, do it to Annie. No, that's not fair. But, that's right. Annie, you crying. Jesse,